There.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. What's this?
This is a plant, and this plant is sick.
It's sick.
Yeah.
Ooh, oh no. Okay. What's this?
This is a plant holder. These are scissors. This is a small shovel. This is soil.
Soil.
And these are rocks.
Rocks. Okay. What do you want to do?
Today I want to put this plant in here with the soil and the rocks in
Okay.
together. Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's start.
First, I want to put the rocks in here. I will use these scissors to cut this bag open. Now I'll put the rocks in here. Now I'll put the soil in here. I'll use these scissors to cut this bag open. Now I'll put this soil in here. Maybe that's too much. Okay. Now I'll take the plant out to put it in here. Now we will dig a hole in this plant holder. Now I'll put the plant in the plant holder with the soil in it. So now that the plant is complete, we will put the water in here, in the plant. It's finished!